In the first episode, we found the fire. In this one, we have to give it a home. Every restaurant begins as an empty room. Four walls, a floor, a ceiling. But Longshim couldn't just be another room. It had to feel like a story the moment you step in. So we went back to where it all began, the traditional Tangkhul Naga house. Every line on this house, every symbol carved into its walls, carries generations of meaning. This wasn't just inspiration. This became our blueprint. We started by translating that house into a layout. Where would people gather? Where would the fire live? Where would stories be told? The entrance had to feel like crossing into a different world. The center had to feel like a hearth, and a balcony that would become our modern-day Longshim circle. The patterns on the Tangkhul house are not decoration. They are language. So we took those triangles, circles, and lines and stretched them across our walls. The mural isn't just art. It's our way of saying, you are inside our story now. Back home, everyone sat around the fire. The fire was always in the middle, so the heart of Longshim had to glow. We designed a warm center, not a literal fire pit, but a pool of light and warmth that pulls people closer to each other. In the village, Longshim was a physical house. In the city, our Longshim also has a view. This balcony is where people will sit late in the evening, talk about life, laugh, and forget for a moment that they are in the middle of Bangalore. And for us, this is the new Longshim circle. Little by little, the space started to answer us back. Every mark on the wall, every line on the drawing was no longer just design. Every line we draw is a conversation with our ancestors. Longshim is not just being designed, it is being remembered.